Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Hello, my wonderful people. This one, another breaking news. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has just departed Nigeria for France on a medical trip. However, the APC political party have come out to criticize this development, saying no, Tinubu is traveling out for working visit. President Muhammadu Buhari is also set to travel out of Nigeria to London on a medical trip to meet his dentist in London. Nigeria, which way? Hello, wonderful people. We decided to bring to you transparency on what is happening currently at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. As the hearing is about to begin, we need to bring you a highlight of some of the breaking news. While other political parties and their representatives are currently in and out of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal in Abuja, the president-elect, as announced by INEC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has just departed Nigeria now on a medical visit to France, as announced by Sahara reporters. However, this information is grossly being criticized by opposition party APC, who claim that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is traveling to France on a working visit. How? This has raised a lot of concerns to Nigerians, both home and abroad, who have asked, I thought Bola Ahmed Tinubu just returned from France not long ago, and he claimed that he is back hale and healthy and ready to work with the Nigerian people. It is very sad that it's in the Nigeria of today we intentionally go ahead to vote in people who are not competent and healthy and wealthy enough to lead the Nigerian state. Some of the comments trailing the current development about Bola Ahmed Tinubu has raised serious concern. Just as reported by Sahara reporters, exclusive, Nigeria President-elect Bola set to return to France for medical care to boost his health in preparation for May 29 swearing in. That is, if the court legitimizes his victory. A top source in the ruling All Progressive Congress told Sahara reporters on May 1. Sahara reporters exclusively reported that Tinubu visited Lagos to take a medical rest and see some of his doctors who had arrived in the country to give him follow-up medical care. It was learned that some members of the medical team who treated Tinubu in France were in Lagos, southwest Nigeria, to give the president-elect follow-up treatment, which is the care given to a patient over time after finishing treatment for a disease. However, despite the denials, Sahara reporters also reported that Tinubu's ailment was so severe that for 5 days, while being hospitalized abroad, he could not speak and had to be intubated. Intubation is a procedure required to help save a life when the patient cannot breathe. It is a process where a healthcare provider inserts a tube through a patient's mouth or nose, then down to their trachea. A lot of people have come out to criticize this development, stating that this is a very big shame to the Nigerian state, as there is no functional hospital that is capable of actually handling the medical condition of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. People have come out to ask questions. Is this how Bola Ahmed Tinubu will lead the nation if the court goes further to legitimize his leadership? In another development, it has also been reported that President Buhari, the current president of Nigeria, will be traveling to London on a medical visit to meet his dentist over his dental conditions. Sowore has gone further in this development to criticize the President Muhammadu Buhari. In Sowore's speech, Sowore mentioned, stating that in Buhari's 8 years of misrule, Buhari didn't build a dental clinic that could cater for 32 pieces of his definition. He didn't build an ear care clinic that could cater for his 2 ears, not a molehill to climb to see the stars at night. Like he started his failed regime with London doctors, he is ending disastrously on the streets of London in search of doctors to treat indigestion. A lawyer, a barrister, Malcolm Omihobo, has also gone further to criticize this development, asking a question and stating, describe a president like Buhari who claims to have done so much for his country, for his country's development, but is always in London for medicals as minor as dental treatment. Based on this development, Nigerians home and abroad are currently worried over the incessant traveling out of the Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, and the president-elect, as announced by INEC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whose victory is currently being grossly challenged at the tribunal, that the rate at which they travel abroad for medical trip raises a very big question to the Nigerian state. A lot of people have come out to ask questions. Who then will save this nation? Who then will deliver Nigeria? Who then will make Nigeria great? Who then will build hospitals, competent hospitals that will cater for both the poor and the rich in Nigeria? Some people have come out to say that the redemption of this country is actually very far. In this vein, a lot of Nigerians have come out to say, indeed, the person of P2B is the long-awaited leader that should emerge as soon as possible from the tribunal to take the leadership of this nation from consumption to production, where a sitting president would be able to receive medical treatment only in Nigeria in order to boost also the local economy of this nation. Listen to the rest of the news.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.